Hey guys, welcome back to OB Toys. So today I'm going to be showing you my custom dinosaur hybrid Loch Ness Monster. We're going to be using these three dinosaurs from Mattel, and we're going to be cutting these things up and putting them together and creating my own little combination of what I think a OB Toys Loch Ness Monster would look like. Also, if this is the first time you're visiting my channel, I love working with blacklight and glow-in-the-dark paints. So make sure you stick around to see what happens when I turn out the lights. And I gotta say guys, this is one of my favorite glow-in-the-dark customs that I've done, so you gotta check this out. Alright guys, I'm gonna sit back and let you watch the process, and I'll check back with you in a bit. This is my cat Shadow. He gets very curious sometimes when I'm working on a project and decides to jump up and join me. Since this thing has a Suchomimus head, I thought it would be kind of cool if it had one of the sails of the Suchomimus going down the entire body. So that's what I'm doing here. If you guys are liking the video so far, be sure to smash that like button for me right now. Also, if you're not subscribed yet to the channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that button and follow along in the fun. I want you guys to start thinking about official names for this particular custom. So if it might be a combination of the 3 dinosaurs we used, or something to do with the Loch Ness Monster, I don't know, you guys always come up with the greatest names down in the comments, so go ahead, start thinking away, and leave me a comment down below. Well, as you guys see, I've put a lot of paint onto this thing, and you haven't even seen all the layers of glow-in-the-dark paint that I put on it as well. So make sure you're sticking around for that. Alright guys, well I'm going to go ahead and skip to the final result. I'm not going to make you wait anymore, but before we do, we always got to go back to where we started. And here we go. Smash that like button if you think this thing is awesome. Give me a comment down below and let me know what your guys' thoughts are. I love getting feedback from you. Alright guys, before I turn out the lights here and show you what this thing looks like glowing in the dark, I wanted to mention about my online toy store real quick, shopobtoys.com. I've added some of my customs for sale, as well as hundreds of other toys from different toy lines on the website. So be sure to check that out and see if there's anything that you can add to your collection and also help support the channel. Alright guys, black light and glow-in-the-dark paints, here we go. These are just a few of the other customs I have on the channel. If you haven't seen everything, be sure to check out the playlist above. Well guys, that brings us to the end of another video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did putting it together for you. Also, be sure to check out my Teespring page and help support the channel. Got all sorts of products there for you guys, like t-shirts, sweatshirts, posters, stickers, and even some jigsaw puzzles as well. Also, a special thanks to all my OB Toys members. Really appreciate all the support you guys have been giving the channel. And if you want to become a member, click on the link above. Alright guys, like this video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, OB Toys out.